Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Grow a Garden Gear Shop. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you about the Grow a Garden Gear Shop. So, what's Grow a Garden Gear Shop? Grow a Garden Gear Shop is where you can buy stuff to help you plant and upgrade your plants on Grow a Garden. Like it can help you make mutations, and also help you to remove your certain stuff in your garden and all of that stuff that you need that you can remove your garden or add something in your garden for. So let's see. So to do this, just click on show me the gear. After clicking on show me the gear, you will see all the gear here. We have the watering can, it speeds up the plant growth by 10 uses. Trowel, we have moves plants 5 times for 100,000 shekels. Recall wrench, this teleports us to the gear shop, where I'll be showing you later. Basic sprinkler, increased growth speed and fruit size, lasts for 5 minutes. Advanced sprinkler, increased growth speed and mutation chance, lasts for 5 minutes. Godly sprinkler, increased growth speed, mutation chance, and fruit size, lasts for 5 minutes. And we have the lightning rod, redirects lightning 3 times before being destroyed. So this works when it's raining and it's of course there's lightning. So the lightning will, instead of hitting somewhere else, it will hit the crops that you wanted it to hit. And we have here is the master sprinkler, greatly increased growth speed, mutation chance, and fruit size, lasts for 10 minutes. And we have the cleaning spray. So this is a cleaning spray that's newly added to the event. So what it does, it cleans mutation of fruit, 10 uses only. So if you have a fruit that you don't like to be mutated, you can use this one clean spray. We have the favorite tool. So once you favorite your tool, prevent from collecting. So that doesn't mean it will prevent people from stealing it. It will only prevent you from collecting it. Harvest tool. This is perfectly um, good to use when you're using for example, my coconut over there. It's very high, and my cactus, and I can't reach it. I'll just buy a harvest tool, but it is kind of pricey, worth 30 million shekels. And the last one is friendship pot. The friendship plot you need to do is tend to your friend's flower. So we're gonna show it right here. So oopsie. Oh no. So my partner's gone. So they're just so you just tend the flower if ever you have a partner. They're going to tend to the flower every day, and there you go. So, and I'll be showing the wrench, how it works. All you need to do is get the wrench out and click anywhere. There you go, and your teleport right here. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: the gear shop right here is always last in every 5 minutes. So all you need to do is, if you really want the master sprinkler badly, just go to find an auto clicker. If you're using your PC, then just start an auto click right here and leave it here. So um your Roblox doesn't close down or turn off. And not only that, guys, we're gonna add the daily quest. You can also do this. Once you've done all of that daily quest, you'll be able to get a seed pack right here, 2 seed packs, as you can see right now. But it changes. It resets every day. So it sometimes it'll change the price, sometimes it'll be good, sometimes it'll be bad. But do this and you might get lucky. And here you go. As you can see, it is now changed. Let's see if there's something on you. There you go. There's nothing new. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.